Our Earth System Observatory is the next generation of Earth science, explicitly designed to understand the Earth as a system of systems. Our Earth Information Center will allow us to leverage data and modeling capabilities in communities most affected by a changing climate. Understanding Earth gives us the means to better protect it. Join us as we improve life on Earth from space, where we monitor, study, and observe our planet 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, to learn more and to protect and improve life on Earth. Because there's no place like home.